Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I have not been able to record any more training videos because my computer has been down for quite a while, and anyways, it doesn't matter. Today I wanted to show you, I guess our next topic was supposed to be Nessus, and without delay I will show you how to download and install it. So you're gonna go to Google in your Linux virtual machine, which is right here. I'm in it right now. You're gonna go open up Google, Chrome or Firefox, whatever you have. Download Nessus Essentials. Okay. You're gonna go to download Nessus. Okay. Normally, I would definitely try to find the right version that I need. It should be the community. Let's see, download. I'm doing it. I have done it before, but I'm doing it with you guys so that we can get the right version. Let's see here. That's not the one I want, because I want the one that doesn't ask me that I have 17 days, whatever. It's a community version that I'm looking for. So let's go back. I know it's the essentials. Let's see. Think tracking opt-in, whatever. Okay. No, I don't want the activation code because I know I downloaded it before, but because I had to redo everything, I had to even reinstall my lab because my hard drive crashed. So let's see, we have vulnerable management. No, that's not the one. I'm looking for the community edition, or what's called Nessus Essential, which is none of those. I mean, you're gonna go through the same things that I'm going right now. I've downloaded it, but honestly, tenable vulnerability manage. Oops. Oh, great. Let's see here. This is. I know that I downloaded it. Let's see here. Essentials. Nope. So I think it's good that we go through all this because we have to. You guys need to find out where to get it from, right? See. Let me see. Nessus. Yeah, because I don't want to get the one that is going to expire for 17 days, and you guys are going to be. So let's do it this way. I think I have www.tenable.com and go downloads. Yes, downloads Nessus. Let's see if I get something. Okay, install Nessus. Okay, well it's giving me. We're gonna try this. Okay, it knows that I have Ubuntu, or it has to be Debian. Red Hat. I know I'm back where I started it. Is it Ubuntu or Debian? Okay. Okay. We're gonna stick with Debian. I mean, not Debian. I think it's Ubuntu. Okay, Ubuntu AMD 64. Download. Agree. So now it's downloading it. And after that, once it downloads, okay, what I'll do, okay, I was gonna pause it, but it's there. So It's all good, right? Let me just minimize that window for now. Okay, so we have it in downloads. Okay, so now here we're gonna go type cd downloads. Remember that Linux is case sensitive, so when you type something, let's see, ls, there we go. So now to install it, you're gonna go dpkg, right, for the package, and then the name of the file. It's Nessus dash. There you go. Just enter. Yeah. Sudo. Yeah, I forgot that I need to be a admin, so it's sudo. It's gonna prompt you for the password. Type password, and there we go. And we're gonna let it install. I'm just gonna pause it while this happens. Okay, be back. In case I didn't say anything, the dpkg-i, the dash I means install. Okay, so it's finished. So as you can see here, I'm just gonna make this. Can I make it bigger? Yeah, I can. Okay, hello. Okay, I don't know why is it doing this. Okay, let me pause the video. Let me pause the video. Okay, I don't know why it was stuck for a bit, but now it's back. Now, as you can see, after you did the install, it is telling you can start Nessus Scanner by typing this. Okay, to start Nessus services. So let's do that. Let's highlight it if I can. All right, so then see if I can type. Okay, so it's been systemctl. So that will start the Nessus service. So let's see. Okay. Let's see, why is it? Okay, here we go. Oh, there we go. What happened? Okay, why is it? Wait, I think I forgot something. Yeah, okay. Okay, I made a mistake. Hold on, give me a second, let me see. Okay, this is what I did. I copied what it was telling me to copy. Start this, go to bin, root bin /systemctl start Nessus d.service. Now it's prompting me for my password. So failed to start Nessus. What? Okay, this is some good troubleshooting. All right, so then it says once it starts, you gotta go here. See? So let's go check it out and see. I'm gonna copy link and open up Firefox. See, and go there. All right, so see if you get that page, that means it's running. So let's go advanced and accept the risk and continue. Now there we go. See, now it's gonna do all the things that it needs to install, all the plugins, everything that needs to do. So I'm gonna pause it. That's gonna take a while, so you guys follow the way that I did it. I mean, without the mistakes, of course, now that you know how to get it, how to run it. So I'll be back in a few. Thank you. Okay, so now it says here register online. Let's see, I'm not gonna do the register online. Let's see what happens. We can always set up, start Nessus Experts. I want the essentials. See, register for Nessus Essentials. So that's the one that we want. Continue. Now you gotta put your name, your email address. So let me do that and I'll be back. Okay, so I did put in my name, my email address, and it gave me an activation code. That is something that you will get right away. And here, create, you can create your username. I'm gonna use mine with I don't know, password that I'm, okay, let's see, save it because this is my VM anyways. So now it's gonna install the plugins and it's gonna install everything. So I'm gonna pause it again and I'll be back. Okay, as you can see, the scanning process, I mean the install process finished. It ended, and now it opened up this window here. Now after that, this is the final process of doing this. We're gonna start another video where I will be showing you how to do different scans. Okay, right now I know we can only do 16 to 17 computers that we can scan, but you know, it'll be enough for our purpose. So you know, for now we are done, and I've shown you how to install Nessus. There's another app that I wanted to show you how to do, which is a vulnerability scan server, and I'll show you that on the next video, how to install it, how to set it up. But this is it for today, so thank you.